Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.